got some delicious collard greens, y'all. Oh yeah. What's up with it, family? Back at you, in the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook. And as you seen by the thumbnail, we making some good old-fashioned collard greens, baby. Fresh collard greens, baby. All simple ingredients, but yet oh so delicious. So let's waste no time. Let's get right to it. Making us some good old-fashioned, delicious collard greens. Yeah. So let's get our greens cut and washed. And as you can see right here, I normally use a sink, but for video purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and use my bin right here. I got filled up with some lukewarm water. Just making sure ain't no bugs or anything like that in there. So I start off, I cut the stems, keep that. This out the way. And how I cut mine, I like a little texture, it's a little much. But I break them to the edges right there. I leave the vein in there just to add some additional texture. Leave that in there. You can take it out if you want. If you want to take it out, all you gotta do is just go on the lines. You really don't even have to cut it. You can tear it with your hands, and bam, it's out of there. That's your core. So let's say you don't want to use a knife, just take it, pinch it, just like this right here. Take your core out of there. There you go. But like I said, I like a little texture in mine. Just gonna make sure I don't have too much. Like I say, you want to cut it where the leaves pretty much start at. There we go. All right. And just for an easier cut, we're gonna put them all together. We're gonna roll them. And we're gonna cut them all at once. You gotta do one by one. That'll take forever, especially if you got you like 10 or 15 bunches. You'll be in the kitchen forever doing that. You don't want to do that. We don't want to make it harder than what it really is. So we're just gonna go half like this. Open them up. Like that. There we go. Now they nice, good bite sizes. You don't want them too small. You don't want them too big. You want them like right there. There you go. And remember, they're gonna shrink. Greens make its own water as well. So just kind of keep that in mind. That core out of there was a little much for me. There we go. Got it in our, get it in our water. Let's get the rest cut. So you just make sure we ain't got no bugs or nothing in there. Make sure you ain't got no brown leaves. Get it all out of there. Or dead leaves. Like that right there. You don't want that. You don't want to eat that. Get that out of there. Just showing you different ways you can cut them. There we go. In the water we go. How we're gonna do is get them washed. We're gonna wash them. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna wash them. Gonna rinse, drain it, then we're gonna wash them again. Make sure we get all the dirt off. Just get your hands in there, don't be scared. Just making sure you get all that dirt and grit off. Get these drained. And we're gonna come back and rinse them again. And once we rinse them, we're gonna let them sit for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. While we start on our water, we'll start on our pot. We're gonna start it with some water. We're gonna wash off our smoked neck bones, get all the grit off of there, and get those ready. All right, so we got our greens. We rinsed them a second time. They soaking in the water, chilling, doing what they supposed to be doing. We're getting us a pan over medium high heat. We're gonna add us 4 to 5 cups of water. Now we're gonna put some flavor to it. We're gonna throw some kosher salt in there, our seasoning salt in there, some black pepper, onion powder. Now you can throw some garlic powder in there if you choose. I don't like garlic powder in mine. You can put you some onions and bell peppers in it if you want to. It's your world. Do it how you want to do it. So we're just gonna stir this. We're gonna let the water start to boil a little bit, and we're gonna taste it. That's how we're gonna know what we got. We're gonna taste it. It's just water and seasoning. It ain't gonna hurt you. We have no raw meat in here. So we're gonna taste it, make sure our water is well seasoned. Then that way, if you need to add you some, you can add you some more. But wait till you put your greens in there before you add you some more. So let's give our water a little taste. Get you a good stir around. It don't have to be a lot, just a little bit. Just enough. Okay, yeah. See, like for instance, I'm gonna need some more salt, but I'm gonna wait till close to the end to add some more salt. So right now, we're gonna throw our smoked neck bones. I already washed them off. Make sure you wash them off. We're just gonna throw these in here. Just like that. Try to make sure they're completely submerged. Let me turn that one over. There we go. Got a little bit hanging out, but that'd be just fine. So what we're gonna do, put the top on it. We're gonna let that cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Get that neck bone to start to cook, break up some of them flavors, that smokiness flavor start to come out of the neck bones. Excuse me, tongue tied, y'all. And we're gonna come back, we're gonna add our green. So as you can see, we got us a good little boil going. Just make sure everything doing what everything is doing, which it is. Now let's get our greens in there. And I still got them in the water. So just try not to make a mess. It's fine that you're putting some water in there. It's clean. And just get your greens on top of that, baby. There we go. And like I said before, if you wanna, some people like onions and bell peppers in theirs. I don't. I like it simple. So if you wanted to add just some of that in there, be my guest. It's your world, you cooking it. So make it happen how you want it to happen. Got our greens in here. We're just gonna get them in the water. As such. And we add our heat is medium high. Take it down to medium. We're gonna pop a lid on it. We're gonna let these babies cook for about an hour and a half until they are tender and delicious. Yeah. All right, so our greens, oh, check us out. They coming along just fine. Got that meat in there. Oh, nice and tender. And remember I said I wanted to add me a little more salt. So I'm gonna add me a little more salt and a little more lawrys. So just a little bit. Just season it to taste now. Here we go. Just a little bit. I was lacking just a little bit. So just mix that up. Gonna taste it. See what it do. Your green. It's hot. Okay. Throw a little bit more lawry in there. And this is what I mean by not adding too much. You can always come back and add, but you can never take it out. So always remember that and consider that factor. There it is. There it is right there. Greens is pretty much finished. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the neck bones out and I'm gonna debone them. Then we're gonna throw that meat back in there. Go ahead and turn your heat off on your greens. They're tender, they're done. We cooked them for about an hour and a half and we're ready to go. Let's debone these smoked neck bones, baby. So I got them all deboned. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a bone in there just to keep that flavor, baby. What we gotta do is just mix in our meat, smoked neck bones with our greens. And there it is right there, family. That is it. That is all. We got some delicious collard greens, y'all. Oh, yeah. All right, family, that is it. That is all. We just made us some delicious collard greens, y'all. Check us out. Ooh. Delicious collard greens, baby. Simple and oh so delicious, baby. But yet, oh so delicious. Let's taste them. Of course, we gotta get some of that smoked neck bone meat. Just make sure we get some of these good, flavorful, tender greens, baby. Still hot. That's it. One more again. Some cornbread. That's it. Good old fashioned fresh greens, baby. Simple ingredients, but yet oh so delicious. That boy can cook, baby. If you like this video, hit the like button. Share it with your people. If it's your first, second, third time, think about hitting that subscribe button, joining the family. Make sure you turn on the notifications bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it, because that's what we do. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone. Yeah. Another bite of these greens. Delicious, baby. Delicious.